I'm switching on.
We're on video now.
Okay, hi.
Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we're with Kirsten and Tony, and they came out from San Diego, and I got Kirsten's name right.
Yes.
Not wrong. Didn't call her Kristen, like some of our other guys did. But anyways, so they came from San Diego, and you guys found us on YouTube?
YouTube.
YouTube.
And
All right.
Instagram.
Okay, so
all the posts.
it must have worked.
Yeah.
So you guys drove over here. But they do have family here, so they didn't drive over for us. So I don't feel as special, but it's still pretty special. So it's cool. Yeah. And she likes her car. I guess it's Tony's car.
A truck.
Truck. Okay.
Car.
All right. See. And we put manly tires on it, and we took the wimpy tires, as she said, off of it. And we said we'd put 305s on it, but those weren't manly because they had to be 35s. So it's got 35, 12 and a half, 18s on it. And we did method NV 305. And we did, had to be, it'd be plus 18, 18 by 9 with a plus 18 offset.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we got a little bit
Mind
of
reader, huh?
Mind reader.
Yeah, I didn't know, but did you get a little poke?
A little poke.
Okay, so she got a little poke. She just got what she needed. Just a little bit outside the wheel well, what she was looking for. So truck looks great. The new painted door handles look great. The painted mirror caps.
Yep.
And
next
next trip we're doing the front grille on it.
Yeah.
I'll get that stuff going.
Yeah.
So when you guys come back out, it'll be ready to go. But that'll finish up all the chrome. This was a limited Tundra, and it had all the chrome around the windows, and it was replaced with the factory black window strips. So it looks really nice with that. You guys gonna take your wimpy tires home with you and sell them, or?
Yeah, we're gonna sell
Okay,
them.
all right.
We're gonna sell them for a wimpy price.
Wimpy price. That's kind of how the used stuff goes, right? So I guess we'll just have to figure out some more things we'll do this next time on the truck. Yeah, but it's kind of a never-ending project.
Yeah, we'll be back also for rock sliders.
Rock sliders.
Yeah.
We make those.
I know.
Yeah, we do.
We'll have to check that out.
Yeah.
We'll have to look into
So
that.
yeah, we try really hard to make them nice too. So, but just a great example of what the truck looks like with just a nice little lift, and going up to 35s. The truck looks phenomenal. I mean, even the planes fly over to check it out. So that's pretty cool. So, but we hope you guys enjoy it, and obviously you guys are gonna get to see your grandchildren, correct?
Yep.
Correct.
Yeah, and then you guys gonna go home tomorrow?
Tomorrow. After the birthday party.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You look like you're more awake now. Did you drink Red Bull or something?
I didn't, but I've been up since 12 a.m. to get here to see you, to have our trip.
I'm not gonna lie to you. You didn't.
And I'm happy.
You did not look happy on the couch this morning in our showroom, and I was almost afraid to talk to you because I'm like, this doesn't look like it's gonna be a good experience today. But look at you guys.
I brought my happy sweatshirt.
Yeah, I know, and I like it, and it's great, and I talked your guys' ear off for like over an hour.
Yeah.
You didn't even get to spend quality time together.
We appreciate it. We appreciate the service.
Oh,
and
thank you.
everything you guys did is just great.
No, we appreciate you guys
So-
coming out.
Amazing work.
Yeah, we're
thank
really
you.
happy
Thank
with
you
it.
guys.
So,
Recommend you guys
Thanks,
Thank you.
thanks, Tony.
Thank
And
you.
Kirsten, thank you very
Jeff.
much. Yeah,
I
thank
think
you
it's
guys.
safe to say you're
So,
family now.
yeah, thank you
Brian.
guys for watching. Thank you, Brian, for filming.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up. We appreciate each and every one of you guys, and all the people that watch our stuff and do make the trip over here. So
Yeah.
we hope that.
Come out here, they're worth it.
Yeah. So thank you. I didn't pay her to say that either. So that's pretty cool. So. She actually gave us money. So anyways, that's not what it's about. It's about building friendships. So
Yeah.
I really do. Thank you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Take care.